So my biggest win for this month really is 3 installs of solar from 0 to 3 installations. So we've done 40,000 in solar installs, which is brilliant from a standing start. When I joined the academy, it was quite emotional. I actually had tears. I think it was because I felt like I was getting some help, but it focused my mind. So I'll tell you one challenge, one little goal I've got. So there's a guy called Chris. He put something in the group the other day. So his first quarter, his goal was to get his first install. He did 2 installs in his first quarter. I've done 3 in my first quarter, and he did 23 in his second quarter. So I thought, right, I've got to go for 25 in the second quarter. I've had the fundamentals. I've been a business owner for quite a few years, so I've dipped my toe and I've tried to learn as I go. But what it's done is give me some structure. Definitely helped me understand my overheads, my profit margins, all my costs. Been able to track my costs for the first time ever, which is a game changer. So if I know whether I'm on target, off target, what I need to do. I have got to honestly say, without the academy, 100% I would not have my solar business. It's impossible. As much as I'd like to think, it was never going to happen. And that's going to be a game changer for me.